Sleep is essential. We all need it. It's a fundamental part of our daily lives, crucial for our overall well-being. When we sleep well, we feel better. Everything runs smoother, our minds are sharper, and our bodies are more energized. But sometimes, sleep is elusive. No matter how hard we try, restful sleep can be difficult to achieve. Millions of people struggle to get the sleep they need. This issue affects people of all ages and backgrounds. This can be due to stress, busy schedules, or medical conditions. These factors can disrupt our sleep patterns significantly. When sleep problems arise, many people turn to sleep aids for help. These aids can provide temporary relief. These supplements offer a natural approach to improving sleep. They are often preferred for their minimal side effects. Understanding these supplements is important. Knowing what you're taking can make a big difference. We need to know how they work and what to consider before using them. Consulting a healthcare professional is always a good idea. This guide will explore different types of sleep aid supplements. We'll look at their ingredients and how they function. We'll discuss their potential benefits and risks. It's crucial to weigh these factors before making a choice. It's essential to follow the recommended daily dose of sleep aid supplements. Adhering to guidelines helps avoid adverse effects. Whether you're a parent seeking better sleep for your child, ensuring they get the rest they need, a student struggling with late nights, trying to balance studies and rest, or just someone looking to improve their sleep quality, aiming for a more restful night, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Remember, a good night's sleep is within reach. It's possible with the right approach and tools. Let's explore how we can achieve it together. Join us on this journey to better sleep. Sleep aid supplements are a popular choice for those seeking better sleep. They come in various forms, each working differently to promote relaxation and sleep. Understanding the different categories of sleep aids is crucial for making informed choices. Sleep aid supplements can be broadly categorized into two main types, herbal and non-herbal. Herbal sleep aids are derived from plants and have been used for centuries to address sleep problems. Examples include chamomile, lavender, valerian root, and passion flower. These herbs often work by interacting with the body's natural sleep-regulating pathways, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Non-herbal sleep aids, on the other hand, typically contain synthetic versions of naturally occurring compounds or other ingredients not found in plants. Melatonin, a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle, is a popular example of a non-herbal sleep aid. Other non-herbal options include magnesium L-theanine and 5-HTP. For centuries, people have turned to nature for remedies to improve sleep. From ancient civilizations to modern times, the use of natural sleep aids has been a common practice across cultures. Herbal sleep aids offer a gentle and often effective approach to promoting relaxation and addressing mild sleep difficulties. These natural solutions are favored for their minimal side effects and holistic benefits. These natural remedies work in various ways to support the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. By aligning with our circadian rhythms, they help us achieve a more restful and rejuvenating sleep. Chamomile, with its delicate aroma and calming properties, is a popular choice for a soothing bedtime beverage. This gentle herb has been cherished for generations for its ability to ease the mind and prepare the body for sleep. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which is believed to bind to certain receptors in the brain that promote sleepiness. This interaction helps to reduce anxiety and induce a state of calm. Lavender, another beloved herb for its calming scent, has been shown to have relaxing effects on the nervous system. Its soothing fragrance is often used in aromatherapy to create a peaceful environment. Studies suggest that inhaling lavender essential oil can improve sleep quality and reduce anxiety. The simple act of breathing in its aroma can help to ease tension and promote a sense of tranquility. Valerian root is a traditional herbal remedy used for centuries to treat insomnia and anxiety. Known for its potent effects, it is often used as a natural alternative to prescription sleep medications. While its exact mechanism of action is not fully understood, it is believed to increase levels of GABA, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation in the brain. This increase in GABA helps to calm the nervous system and prepare the body for a restful night's sleep. Melatonin is a hormone naturally produced by the pineal gland in the brain. It plays a crucial role in regulating the body's sleep-wake cycle, also known as the circadian rhythm. Melatonin levels typically rise in the evening, signaling the body that it's time to sleep, and fall in the morning, promoting wakefulness. Melatonin supplements are widely available and often used to address sleep problems, particularly those related to jet lag, shift work, and delayed sleep-wake phase disorder. By taking melatonin, individuals can artificially increase their melatonin levels, potentially resetting their internal clock and promoting sleep. However, it's essential to use melatonin supplements cautiously and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Taking melatonin at the wrong time or in excessive doses can disrupt the body's natural melatonin production and worsen sleep problems. Section 5. Magnesium for restful nights. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and sleep regulation. It contributes to sleep by regulating neurotransmitters, including GABA, which promotes relaxation and sleep. Magnesium deficiency can manifest as difficulty falling asleep, restless sleep, and early morning awakenings. Supplementing with magnesium may help improve sleep quality, especially for individuals with inadequate magnesium intake. Magnesium supplements come in various forms, including magnesium citrate, glycinate, and oxide. Each form has different absorption rates and potential side effects. It's crucial to choose a high-quality magnesium supplement and consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage. Section 6. L-theanine. Promoting relaxation. L-theanine is an amino acid found primarily in tea leaves, particularly green tea. It is known for its calming and relaxing effects on the brain without causing drowsiness. L-theanine promotes relaxation by increasing alpha brain wave activity, which is associated with a state of calm alertness. L-theanine is believed to work by influencing the levels of certain neurotransmitters in the brain, including GABA, serotonin, and dopamine. These neurotransmitters play a role in mood regulation, sleep, and relaxation. Studies have shown that L-theanine supplementation can improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, and enhance cognitive function. It is often combined with caffeine to promote focus and alertness without the jitters associated with caffeine alone. Section 7. Valerian root, a traditional remedy. Valerian root is a perennial flowering plant with a long history of use as a natural sleep aid. It has been traditionally used to address insomnia, anxiety, and nervous restlessness. While more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms of action, valerian root is believed to work by increasing levels of GABA in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate nerve impulses in the brain and central nervous system. By increasing GABA levels, valerian root is thought to reduce brain activity, promoting relaxation and sleep. Valerian root is available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, teas, and liquid extracts. It is generally considered safe for short-term use, but long-term effects are not well established. Section 8. Sleep aids and little ones, a cautious approach. When it comes to children and sleep aids, a cautious and informed approach is paramount. Parents often find themselves in a dilemma, wanting to help their little ones sleep better but unsure of the safest methods. While some sleep aids may be safe and effective for adults, they can have different effects on children's developing bodies and brains. The impact of these aids can vary significantly based on the child's age, weight, and overall health. It's crucial to consult with a pediatrician before giving any sleep aids to infants or children. A healthcare professional can provide guidance tailored to your child's specific needs and circumstances. In general, it's best to avoid giving sleep aids to newborns and infants unless specifically recommended by a healthcare professional. Their systems are incredibly delicate and still maturing. Their sleep patterns are still developing, and their bodies are more sensitive to the effects of medications and supplements. Even natural remedies can have unexpected consequences. For older children, some herbal remedies, such as chamomile and lavender, may be considered for occasional sleep difficulties. These natural options can be a gentler alternative to over-the-counter medications. These herbs can be administered in small amounts, often as teas or diluted essential oils used in aromatherapy diffusers. It's important to start with the lowest effective dose and monitor the child's response. However, it's essential to use caution and ensure the child does not have any allergies to these herbs. Always read labels carefully and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Section 9. Special considerations for adults. Adults may consider sleep aids for various reasons, including occasional sleeplessness, jet lag, shift work, or chronic insomnia. However, it's essential to approach sleep aids with caution and consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause of sleep problems. For occasional sleep difficulties, short-term use of over-the-counter sleep aids containing antihistamines like diphenhydramine, also known as Benadryl or doxylamine succinate, which is found in Unisum, may provide temporary relief. Diphenhydramine is typically taken in doses of 25 to 50 milligrams, and doxylamine succinate is usually taken in doses of 25 milligrams. However, these medications can cause daytime drowsiness and should not be used long-term. For chronic insomnia or other sleep disorders, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. They may recommend cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia or CBTI, prescription sleep medications, or other therapies. Always discuss potential interactions with other medications you may be taking with your healthcare provider. Section 10. Navigating sleep aids. Dosage and interactions. When using sleep aids, it's crucial to follow the recommended dosage instructions carefully. Taking more than the recommended dose does not necessarily lead to better sleep and can increase the risk of side effects. Dosage recommendations can vary widely depending on the specific sleep aid, its formulation, and the individual's needs. It's also essential to be aware of potential interactions between sleep aids and other medications, supplements, or even certain foods. For example, melatonin supplements can interact with blood thinners, diabetes medications, and birth control pills. Before starting any new sleep aid, it's crucial to inform your doctor or pharmacist about all medications and supplements you are currently taking to avoid any potential interactions. Section 11. Sleep strategies for moms. Motherhood is a beautiful but demanding journey that often leaves moms feeling exhausted and sleep-deprived. While sleep aids may offer temporary relief, it's essential to establish healthy sleep habits for both mom and baby. Creating a consistent bedtime routine for your baby can help regulate their sleep-wake cycle and promote better sleep. This routine might include a warm bath, a soothing massage, putting on pajamas, reading a bedtime story, and dimming the lights. Moms can also prioritize their own sleep by establishing a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends, and creating a relaxing bedtime routine for themselves. This might include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Section 12. Travel tips for sleepy families. Traveling can disrupt sleep schedules, leading to jet lag and fatigue for the whole family. However, with some planning and preparation, you can minimize sleep disruptions and enjoy more restful travels. When traveling across time zones, gradually adjust your family's sleep schedule a few days before departure to align it with the destination's time zone. This can help minimize the effects of jet lag. During the flight or road trip, create a comfortable sleep environment for your children by bringing along their favorite blankets, pillows, and stuffed animals. White noise machines or earplugs can also help block out distractions and promote sleep. Section 13. Sleep hacks for students. Students often face sleep challenges due to demanding academic schedules, late-night study sessions, and social activities. While sleep aids may seem like a quick fix, prioritizing healthy sleep habits is crucial for academic success and overall well-being. Establish a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. This means going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even if you don't feel tired. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal your body that it's time to wind down. This might include taking a warm bath, reading a book, listening to calming music, or practicing relaxation techniques.